Marhaba, this is Abdulrahman from the Arabiker. In this video, we will learn how to negate nominal sentences and adjectives in Arabic, specifically in Al-Fusḥā, Modern Standard Arabic, MSA. First, please note that we have a practice drill prepared for you to practice this topic. Make sure you check the description box after the video ends and after you learn how to negate nominal sentences and adjectives in Arabic. In a previous video, we discussed how to negate verbs and actions in Modern Standard Arabic Al-Fusḥā. Check it out if you would like to. But in this video, we will focus on negating nominal sentences and adjectives. What we will do in this video is that I will show you some affirmative nominal sentences. Then, I will show you how to negate these sentences. Please note that most of the vocabulary that I will use today is taken from our Arabic Essentials material. Make sure you grab it from the course page on our website so that you can follow along and learn effectively. Alright, the first sentence that we have is أستاذي في الجامعة الآن. أستاذي في الجامعة الآن, which means my teacher or my professor is at the university right now. Now, أستاذي, my professor, في الجامعة, at the university or in the university, الآن, now. The second sentence that we have أنا أستاذ في الجامعة. أنا أستاذ في الجامعة. أنا أستاذ في الجامعة, which means I'm a teacher or I'm a professor at the university. The third sentence that we have is أحب أن أذهب إلى مطاعم مشهورة. أحب أن أذهب إلى مطاعم مشهورة, which means I like to go to famous restaurants. By the way, this N, we will cover it in a future video, inshallah. For now, forget about it. The fourth sentence that we have is سنتكلم مع الموظفين الأردنيين. سنتكلم مع الموظفين الأردنيين, which means we will talk to the Jordanian employees. We will talk to the Jordanian employees. Now, let's see how to negate these sentences or specific parts of these sentences. So, for the first sentence, I would like to negate this fact, which is my professor is at university. I want to say my professor is not at university now. أستاذي ليس في الجامعة الآن. Okay? For the second sentence, I want to negate this fact again. أنا أستاذ في الجامعة. I want to say I'm not a teacher or professor at the university. I will say أنا لست أستاذ في الجامعة, which means again I am not a professor at the university. For the third sentence, أحب أن أذهب إلى مطاعم مشهورة. Remember, our focus and our scope today is to negate nominal sentences and adjectives. We will not cover how to negate the action, like I don't like to. We covered that already in a previous video. Watch it if you would like to. But I would like to say, instead of saying مطاعم مشهورة, famous restaurants, I want to say restaurants that are not famous, like lesser known, not so famous restaurants. I will say أحب أن أذهب إلى مطاعم غير مشهورة. أحب أن أذهب إلى مطاعم غير مشهورة, which means I like to go to restaurants that are not famous or less known restaurants. For the fourth sentence, again, I don't want to negate the action. We covered that already in a previous video. Our scope today is to negate parts of the sentence. In this case, these adjectives. I want to say not the Jordanian employees, the employees that are not Jordanian, or the non-Jordanian employees. I will say سنتكلم مع الموظفين غير الأردنيين. غير الأردنيين, which means we will talk to the non-Jordanian employees. Now, pause the video and write down any observations that you noticed, and then we will discuss them together. You might have noticed that for the first sentence, I used the word ليس, that is here, to negate this sentence. To be precise, I used it just before the predicate الخبر في الجامعة. Remember that? We discussed that when we talked about the types of sentences in Arabic. Watch that video if you would like to. I just put the ليس before the predicate الخبر ليس في الجامعة. Actually, in Arabic, we can have ليس here by saying ليس أستاذي في الجامعة الآن. But if you say it this way, you will sound a bit classical. So in modern standard Arabic, it's very common to put it, the ليس, just before the predicate in such a structure. For the second sentence, I used the word لست to negate this sentence. لست is actually a variation of the word ليس. Because it is a verb, it's actually a special verb in Arabic, and we will learn how to conjugate this special verb by the end of this video. Since it's a verb and the subject can be contained in the conjugation, in this case أنا, I, لست, I am not, I can suffice by saying لست أستاذ في الجامعة and just get rid of أنا. لست أستاذ في الجامعة. This is actually more common for a straightforward sentence unless you want to emphasize the meanings. For example, someone didn't get the point and you say أنا لست أستاذ في الجامعة. By the way, the predicate in these sentences, in such sentence, this one has to be in an accusative case ending, المنصوب. But in this series, in which we focus on communication, we will not discuss these case-ending changes. But be prepared that you might hear it in a formal Arabic, let's say, as لست أستاذا with تنوين فتح, this double fatha on the ذال, making a sound of nun. لست أستاذا في الجامعة. But in this series, we will focus on communication only. لست أستاذ في الجامعة. For the third and the fourth sentence, you might have noticed that I used the word غير here and here to negate these adjectives. مشهورة becomes غير مشهورة, and الأردنيين becomes غير الأردنيين. And I used this word غير just before the adjective that I want to negate. And I kept the adjective as it is, whether it's indefinite, as in here, مشهورة, it was indefinite adjective. I kept it as it is, غير مشهورة. And in this case, الأردنيين, it's definite by the ال. I kept it as it is, غير الأردنيين. Review our previous video on how to use adjectives in Arabic and the agreement rules that come with them, if you would like to. By the way, Arabic is a very flexible language. So for the third sentence, this one, I can negate it using the verb ليس. This one, ليس. I can just, instead of saying غير مشهورة, I can say ليست مشهورة. I said ليست because مطاعم is a non-human plural and it's treated as feminine singular. So ليست مشهورة. In summary, I used ليس and its variation to negate nominal sentences. And for negating adjectives, I used the word غير followed by the adjective as well. And for ليس and لست and its variation, it's common in MSA to have it just before the predicate. Before wrapping up, we need to learn how to conjugate this special verb in Arabic, ليس, according to the multiple and different pronouns that we have learned already. So for أنا, لست, أنا لست, I am not. For نحن, we say نحن لسنا, we are not. For أنت, second person masculine singular, لست. For أنتِ, second person you feminine singular, لستِ. For أنتم, you second person all, لستم. For هو, third person هو, he, of course it's the basic one, هو ليس. It's very common to emphasize the ending here, the fixed ending, هو ليس. For هي, third person singular feminine, هي, she, ليست. هم, they, third person plural, ليسوا, they are not. she is not, he is not, you all are not, and so on and so forth. Alright, here's another reminder that we prepared some practice drills for you so you can practice how to negate nominal sentences and adjectives in Arabic. Check out the description box and the course page on our website. Also, make sure to grab the Arabic Essentials material to help you work on these practice drills. If you found this video useful, please like it, subscribe to our channel, and share it with other Arabic learners. Check out our website for other Arabic learning services that we offer. Also, follow us on social media. We post some useful Arabic material there. Salam.